Hey guys, it's Taylor here, and today bringing you another vlog. Like I said in earlier videos, oh, that's all ice on this hill right here. Yeah, traction control is freaking out. I'm just messing around right now. Yeah, this road's all ice. Anyway guys, I'm bringing just, a little video, another little video I should say. And I don't really know what this one's gonna be about. It's just, I don't know, random, I guess, like half the vlogs I make. I know I'm looking at intakes right now. Yeah, dude, these roads, dang. Oh, look, it's Desi's little sister. Ooh, that's all ice. Yeah, you see this, guys? Pure ice. Oh, these roads are wonderful. Traction control was like freaking out on me for a minute. It's really cold this morning too, guys. My car says 28, but I feel like that's not true at all. And this is why I say there needs to be a sidewalk on this road. If you saw that kid walking, he's walking in someone's gutter right now. There's a car coming from this side, and then there's a car, my car, on this side of the road. Like, that's not safe. I guess I just complain about this road, but my girlfriend's always like, just don't take that way. But it's like the quickest way, so I shouldn't really complain, because it's my fault that I'm going this way. But yeah, guys, hopefully you're enjoying my vlogs and stuff like that. I enjoy doing them. Ooh, Fiat Love. Ooh, I think that one's a turbo, or at least a sport, because it has the orange stuff and it had different colored mirrors, and I know the pops don't come with that, so that's pretty cool. Alright, let's see. Oh, no, there's a car coming. But yeah, I enjoy doing these vlogs like I was just saying. I do them just to pass the time and stuff like that. Like, I'm not trying to really, I don't know, jeez. That was my fault. There was a little bit of ice right there, and I was just kind of revving the car out. But yeah, I don't know. I just really enjoy doing the vlogs and stuff like that. Need to find time to do a car review with a few of my friends. I've got one lined up. That one's gonna be really cool. The other one I've got lined up right now, whenever I can find time, that it's not dark. So whenever, I don't really know. I think he said he's not working Thursday, so Thursday might be a good day, like in the morning or something. But his car will be something cool. It's a little bit different. You don't see it much, so we'll go from there. I just gotta make sure that I'm up early enough, that way I can get ready for work and stuff like that. So anyway, about the intake that I was talking about, I'm looking at the Kerma TDI intake, and that just looks like one of the cooler intakes, so that's the one that I'm really going with. I really like how it looks. There's other intakes, but I've heard really good things about the Kerma one. So Kerma, if you ever watch this, hook a brother up, because yeah. I know a couple days ago I went to Buffalo Wild Wings with one of my friends, and he said that someone drove his car, and now second gear is completely blown and third gear is starting to grind. So I feel really bad for him. And then apparently his friend's car blew up, so that really sucks. Yeah. Oh, it's too early, guys. 8:15 in the morning. I'm not about this early morning life. Not even getting a green light either. That's what sucks. There we go. But if you guys want me to do any videos, or if you'd like videos of your car, like reviews or something, I'd love to help you guys out and do that. I guess. But you know, if you ever want like a video or something, I would help you guys out, try to do that. I'm wanting to get more gear. Like I want to get another GoPro so I can mount it like inside the car over there, or like over here, mostly over there, and have like different angles and stuff like that when I'm talking about this stuff, and splice all that together, you know, be like those professional people. But obviously I don't have the funds at the moment. Sorry guys, I'm not trying to yawn on you, it's just really tired. Or I'm really tired. Sorry, can't speak right now. But I honestly love this car, I really do. I want to get some stuff done to it, obviously. And yeah, there's a couple of events in California this year that I'm wanting to go to, but might not be happening just because funds and monies and all that good stuff. So we're just gonna pretty much play it by ear and just see what happens. It'd be cool to go, but at the same time, not practical. Oh, hello, Nissan Juke. I appreciate that. I get that there was enough room and stuff, but come on, really? I love our drivers, I really do. But anyway guys, this is just going to be a little quick video. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Drive safe, especially if you're in areas where there's lots of snow. Don't want to see anything bad happen. I know the car group that I'm in, Team Defiance. Oh god, sorry. The car group that I'm in, Team Defiance, I know we had someone in their BRZ end up sliding out, or I don't really know what happened actually. I should ask him. I think it was like snowing. He was in his BRZ FRS 86, whatever it was, and I think it was snowing, and he ended up just losing control of the vehicle, and I think he went into a ditch or off the highway, which is really scary. I need to make sure that he's alright. I believe he said that he was, but the car wasn't, and so that's really sad, and that's just, yeah, I feel really bad for that. I've had a rear-wheel drive car in the snow, but it wasn't all that bad. It was actually my GTST Skyline. So that really sucks, and you know, hopefully the car's fixable. If not, you know, hopefully you can get a new one, because that, you know, you've got the project car and you've got the daily. Thank you, car, for parking like that. Oh, let's see. Nope, not gonna go. Whoops, that bad Utah driver on my part now. Whoopsies. That was all my fault. Guess I can't really complain about, you know, Utah drivers when I'm being one. Alright, 30 miles per hour is the speed limit right here, because screw fines that are double. But anyway guys, like I said in the last video, more content coming soon, more reviews. Thursday, if everything goes good, might have another video for a review. Gonna try to do vlogs every day. Anyway guys, like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much.
Homies, thug homies, yeah, they giving it up. Low life, yo life, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the party for show. Slip my girl a 44 when she crept in the back door.